Good morning, respected Dr. Jugal Puri ma'am, principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Dr. Sunila Gupta. Today I am here to speak on the topic of gynecological problems in adolescent girls. You all are adolescent girls. Adolescent girls are the girls between the age of 13 to 18 years. First, menarche is the time when a girl starts having her periods. Menarche is the hallmark event in the life of adolescent girls. It marks the transition from childhood to puberty. Most common gynecological problems in the adolescent girls are the menstrual complaints. Firstly, we should know about the normal menstruation cycle. Normal menstruation in adolescent girls comes after every 21 to 45 days, and it is of the duration of less than 7 days. You get periods less than 7 days, and the volume of blood loss is between 30 to 80 ml per day. If you have menstrual cycle out of this range, it is not normal menstrual cycle and you should consult your doctor. First, you should know about the menstrual hygiene. What is menstrual hygiene? Now I will tell about the menstrual hygiene. The various steps that you should follow to maintain your hygiene during periods are: we should replace the sanitary pad after every 4 to 6 hours. There should be safe disposal of menstrual products. We should use separate dry and clean undergarments. We should wash our hands with soap before wearing and after changing our pads. We should take daily bath and maintain personal hygiene, and you should not hesitate in discussing any sort of problem you are facing during period. And menstrual hygiene day is celebrated on 28th May of every year to emphasize the importance of menstrual hygiene. And the various problems that the adolescent girls are facing during these days are irregular cycles, dysmenorrhea, leukorrhea or PID. Now I will explain these in short. What is irregular cycle? It is common especially in the first 2 years after a girl starts getting her periods. That is not a cause for concern. Most girls get their first periods between the age of 10 years to 13 years. But some get it earlier and some later. What causes irregular periods? Most of the time, irregular periods are part of the normal changes that happen when you are a teenager, and this gets settled after 1 or 2 years when you grow. And sometimes irregular cycles are caused by, if you are taking some sort of medicines like hormones, you are getting irregular cycles. And if you are exercising too much, you can also get irregular cycles. Having a very low or high body weight can cause irregular cycles. If you are not eating proper or you are not taking balanced diet, you can get irregular cycles. And there is also one cause of irregular cycle, that is hormonal changes or hormonal imbalances, which causes irregular cycles like thyroid hormone levels that are too low or too high can cause irregular periods. Prolactin levels, if they are very high or low, it can cause irregular cycles. And the second common problem during adolescent stage is dysmenorrhea or painful menstruation. There are two types of dysmenorrhea. Primary dysmenorrhea, in which there is no pathology or no cause. It is due to the natural uterine contractions due to high prostaglandin release in the body, and it aimed at shedding the uterine lining. And the second type of dysmenorrhea is secondary dysmenorrhea, which is in which there is a definite pathology. There is a cause for causing dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation, and the various causes are endometriosis, uterine fibroids, and PID.
मैम यहाँ से चलेंगे वो तो बोर्ड पे नहीं आ रहा ना, बंद ला वहाँ से शायद ऑफ मैम वही तो क्या बोर्ड में नहीं हो रहा, ये एक्चुअली ऑफ कर दिया, जस्ट गिव मी 18 सेकंड्स में ऑफ कर दिया होगा ना फैन।
बोली लाइट जल रहा है।
And how will you manage dysmenorrhea? How will you take treatment for dysmenorrhea? You can take painkillers like Meftal, Spas, Brufen, Rotavel. And you should change your lifestyle. Don't take extra rest during period. You should do your normal routine work. Don't take extra rest. And you should maintain your body weight and take a proper balanced diet during periods. And the third common cause for discomfort in adolescents is the leukorrhea or white discharge. Excessive vaginal discharge is common symptom in adolescent girls. Leukorrhea may occur because of unhealthy lifestyle, improper hygiene, stress, dirty environmental sanitation. And when you have to consult your doctor, why should you consult a doctor for leukorrhea? If you have leukorrhea associated with itching, you have vaginal itching, or there is a foul smelling discharge, or it causes irritation to the vagina, you should consult your doctor. Now the fourth and the most common cause of gynecological problem in adolescent girls is the PCOS. It is very common these days. PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome, and the common symptoms or signs of PCOS are irregular periods that come after every few months or not at all, or they come very frequently. And there is extra hair growth on the face or other part of the body.
How long it will take? 18 seconds.
And there are acne or pimples on your face. There is excessive weight gain, and you have patches of dark skin at the back of your neck or other parts of the body. And how will you manage PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome? How will you manage? What should you do during PCOS? You should, first and the most important is, you should maintain your body weight. If you eat small, healthy, balanced meals and aim for at least 30-minute physical exercise every day, it will help you to lose body weight, and your cycle will be regular. And you should stop taking junk food. And I will repeat, you should stop taking junk food like pizza, cold drinks, momo. You should avoid these things. It will cause PCOS and irregular cycles. And for excessive hair, you should use hair removal cream, waxing, and laser hair treatment. And the last option for the PCOS is the medicine or the hormonal treatment, which you should take after consulting your doctor. Thank you. That's all for today. Chalo.
What happens? Ma'am, it takes only 18 seconds. 10 minutes are going to be.
आप प्रोग्राम करवा रहे हैं?
मैं डॉक्टर सुनीला यहाँ एसटी तारापुरी स्कूल में गर्ल्स को एडोलेसेंट लाइफ में जो गायनिकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स होती है उसके बारे में बताने आई हूँ। जो इनको प्रॉब्लम्स है, जैसे इरेगुलर साइकिल्स होते हैं एडोलेसेंट लाइफ में, डिस्मेनोरिया होता है, वजाइनल डिस्चार्ज होता है, PCOS है, उनके बारे में बता रहे हैं।
जी, क्या मैसेज रहेगा बच्चों के, आप अपने बच्चों को बताएं?
यही रहेगा, एक तो बच्चों को प्रॉपर एजुकेशन होनी चाहिए कि मेंस्ट्रुएशन होता क्या है, इसकी हाइजीन कैसे मेंटेन करनी है, और हमें अपना बॉडी वेट और प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज से अपने पीरियड्स रेगुलर करने हैं। अगर इनकेस हमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो वी शुड कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर।
नहीं, आपने मोमोज के बारे में बताया, लोगों को ये नहीं खाने चाहिए वगैरह, इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेगा बच्चों के थ्रू?
यंग गर्ल्स में PCOS की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, इसको हम पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन सिंड्रोम कहते हैं। इसमें एक फैक्टर ये भी है, जो आजकल हमारा यंग जनरेशन है जो जंक फूड लेता है, इसका जो इंसिडेंस है काफ़ी बढ़ गया है। तो मैं इन गर्ल्स को यही बोलना चाहूँगी, आपको जो जंक फूड है, जैसे आप मोमोज, कुरकुरे, पिज़्ज़ा, बर्गर खाते हैं, इनको अवॉइड करो। इससे कि आपका बॉडी वेट बढ़ता है, हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस होता है, जैसे आपको PCOS की प्रॉब्लम बढ़ जाती है।
जो लोग नशे की तरफ जा रहे हैं उनके लिए क्या मैसेज रहेगा?
उनके लिए तो मैं यही बोलूँगी कि उनको अपनी एजुकेशन की साइड अपना ध्यान देना चाहिए, और नशे की साइड पर नहीं जाना चाहिए, और अपनी हेल्थ को ध्यान देना चाहिए।
जी मैम, क्या कहना चाहोगे, आज का ये प्रोग्राम रखा है आपने?
मैं राजनपुरी चैरिटेबल डिस्पेंसरी की प्रेसिडेंट हूँ, डॉक्टर जोगलपुरी। तो हम अपने डिस्पेंसरी की तरफ से जगह जगह पे कैंप्स लगा रहे हैं, इस पर ही हमने सोचा, पहले हमने फ्री आई कैंप लगाया, फिजिकल अवेयरनेस कैंप लगाया। इस पर ही हमने सोचा कि यंग गर्ल्स की जो प्रॉब्लम है उसके लिए हम ये कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज करें। तो ये स्कूल्स में हम लोग आए हैं और गर्ल्स को अवेयर करने के लिए कि हमें फिजिकल हाइजीन के लिए क्या क्या प्रोसीजर करना चाहिए, क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेने चाहिए। उसके लिए हमारी डॉक्टर सुनीला गुप्ता है, ये हमारे डिस्पेंसरी में गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट हैं। तो ये यहाँ आके इनको लेक्चर दे रही है कि हमें डे टू डे लाइफ में अपनी फिजिकल हाइजीन कैसे रखनी गर्ल्स चाइल्ड्स के लिए।
ठीक।